Most of the treatments we receive focus on the symptoms or the root cause. Yo everyone, I'm Dr. Andrew from SweetLifez. We help patients to reverse diabetes without using medications, insulin injections, or supplements. Bit of disclaimer, the views and the opinions presented are based on our own research and clinical experience. Please consult your own doctors before making any changes to the medications or lifestyle. In this presentation, diabetes is being referred to as type 2 diabetes. So, back to the questions. Do you realize most of the treatments you receive are focusing more on the symptoms or the root cause? By now, if you have gotten the answer, it will most likely be symptoms. But please do not place any blame to any healthcare professionals, as many times we might be trained that way. So for myself, what changed my perspective about this? This was because many years ago in 2013, I was wrongly diagnosed with a pancreatic cancer. They found a growth as big as a ping pong ball seated at the head of my pancreas. And at the point of time, my friend who is a hepatobiliary surgeon offered me an operation. And the operation is called the Reaper's procedure. It involves cutting off part of my stomach, part of my pancreas, as well as the first part of my intestine. At the point of time, I asked my friend one question. And I asked him, I said, "Brother, are you sure this is a cancer?" He was not sure and couldn't answer me. So I told him, by hook or crook, I must find out the root cause of this particular growth. So from Malacca Hospital, I was transferred to Selayang, and in Selayang Hospital, they did a scope for me. They put in a camera, right, which is a scope, through my mouth. It went all the way in. They took some tissue, and then it went for biopsy. The result came back as TB, tuberculosis. Hence, it was not even a tumor in the first place. Because it was TB, I escaped the operation. I escaped the chemotherapy. In return, I was actually prescribed with 6 months of antibiotics for me to battle this particular infection. So this near-death experience taught me a very good lesson. And I told myself, from then onwards, every time I see a patient, I must always look for the root cause. And this is how I started the SweetLifez Wellness Center back in 2017. And 3 years down the line, we have helped hundreds of patients to reverse their diabetes. And it was an honor that last year on World Diabetes Day, on the 14th of November 2019, I was being selected to be interviewed by Bernama TV. Why? Because in Malaysia, there are very few doctors who can help patients to reverse diabetes. Well, this is another screenshot of the interview. So if you like what is being shared, do subscribe and hit the bell, as well as liking, share, and also share with us a comment on something that you'd like to learn about reversing diabetes. So in SweetLifez, reversing diabetes is possible. Signing off, Dr. Andrew. Thank you.